feel like my skin looks as good as it possibly can for being all natural and almost 40 years old. So in this video, I am showing you my single most effective anti-aging product that I have used on my skin for over 3 years now. I have not found anything else that comes close to this product. So you are getting a real product review from someone who has real skin. I do not do Botox. I do not do filler. I just do skincare. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, known here as the Budget Dermatologist. I help you fix your skin. I tell you when to spend and when to save on skincare products that actually work. So if this resonates with you, subscribe to my channel and come say hi on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. Now, I am about to hype up this product because I have seen personally what a massive difference it has made in my skin over the last 3, almost 4 years. But look, let's be honest, I still have wrinkles and I definitely don't look 20 years younger than my age. And this product, it is not a miracle in a bottle, but I feel so good about my skincare routine progress, my skin health, my natural appearance, and I want you to feel that way too. In fact, I have a really hot take as a dermatologist on this whole anti-aging and beauty standards here. So let me actually put this out here in case this helps you. Then we are going to get into my Holy Grail product review. So here's the deal. If you found this video because you're desperate and you're searching for your options to help you feel better or look younger, my best advice for you, it is more than a product or procedure recommendation that your average dermatologist might sell to you. My advice is to stop comparing yourself to influencers and people that you follow on social media that make you feel like you don't look pretty or that you look old, because you have no idea what their truth is, what they've had done to their face, what filters they are using, what photo and video editing apps they are using. It is so disturbing. It's unnatural, it is unattainable, and it is terrible for your mental health. What we are seeing on social media, it is not normal. So please do not feel pressured to get all of these procedures done to be considered pretty. We need to take back the narrative that this unrealistic look is the new standard of beauty that we have to compare ourselves to. So I am honoring that, and no longer do I look at my colleagues or other influencers in this space and feed myself this false narrative that I have to look like that to be accepted here or to be believed as an expert. I am a real person and I know my stuff, and I am happy to show up here and share it with you unfiltered. I want to be crystal clear here that I have absolutely no judgment for other people, how they want to look and what procedures they have done or want to have done to their bodies, because I'm a dermatologist and I offer these cosmetic procedures for my patients. And yes, they can work wonders, but I want you to want to do these things rather than feel forced or pressured into it just so that you can fit into some box or live up to some standard of beauty that others are setting for you that don't even align with how you truly feel or your values. All I want to do here is give you permission or just encouragement to be your authentic self. And if that means natural, I truly want you to believe that natural you is truly beautiful and at any age. So if this resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. We can continue growing this community and ultimately take back the narrative in this beauty industry and rewrite our own beauty standards. And this is my #1 Holy Grail anti-aging wrinkle treatment. I have this one linked in the description of this video. It is Avène RetrinAL 0.1 Intensive. It is on sale right now for this entire week at 30% off, which is the maximum discount you will ever get on this product. I use this at night to treat my fine lines and wrinkles. I use this to keep my skin smooth, to prevent rough skin texture. I use this to maintain an even skin tone and fight against sunspots that start to pop up on your skin in your 30s, 40s, and beyond. And this is going to help your pores look smaller. And here is the best part. I don't even use this every night and I still maintain these benefits. So over the past 3, almost 4 years, this has been in my skincare routine in some fashion, even if it's just been 2 or 3 times per week. And at any point, if I've ever taken a break from this product in the past, when I do go back and put it back into my routine. I see immediate results after just the first night of using this. My skin has more bounce and glow because it does that good of a job repairing your skin texture. And then consistent use of this, you are going to start to notice a softening of your fine lines and wrinkles. So let's dive into what actually makes this a holy grail. There is nothing else compared to this that has given my skin more results, more bang for my buck. I kind of have this must-have list for retinoid products that I have to check before I would consider something to be a holy grail. And this checks every single box. I'm telling you, I have not found any other product like this one. Now, the true secret sauce here in this product is that it contains Retinaldehyde, which is a form of retinoid. Here comes your little education part, my favorite. Retinoids are the most researched ingredient and effective ingredient for anti-aging that you can get in a skincare product. When you use a retinoid consistently, you are going to maintain your youth as much as possible. You can slow down your aging and even reverse some signs of aging. And that is what I feel this product is accomplishing for me over the past 3 years. Now, what makes this super unique is the type of retinoid it contains. Retinaldehyde, which is stronger than retinol. In fact, retinaldehyde is the strongest retinoid that you can get over the counter without a prescription. This has to undergo only one conversion in your skin to turn into retinoic acid, or tretinoin, which is the prescription form. So this turns into retinoic acid prescription form once you apply it to your skin. Retinol, on the other hand, has to be converted twice, 2 conversions to turn into retinoic acid to be effective. So when I am looking for a maximum benefit anti-aging product, I always opt for retinaldehyde over retinol when it's available. And another major benefit of retinaldehyde is that it gives you the same anti-aging benefits as prescription strength retinoid, but with less side effects. So if you have sensitive skin, you are far more likely going to tolerate this retinaldehyde product compared to a prescription. I have a whole video comparing over-the-counter to prescription retinoids. I answer lots of frequently asked questions and I cite research. So I'm going to link that video below so you can learn more. Now, you can find out the exact type of retinoid that is in your product by looking at the ingredients label. You will see either actually the word retinaldehyde or retinal, R-E-T-I-N-A-L, listed on the ingredients label. Next, so this brand, Avène, actually has this retinal product in 2 strengths. So it comes in a 0.05 and this one, the 0.1, which is the strongest. This is so important because if you want to start low and slow and then build up to this, you can, because this single brand has 2 strengths within it. Now, strengths within a same brand is important because you cannot compare a strength of this to a strength of retinol or retinaldehyde in another brand because there are so many variables that go into how strong a product is rather than just the percentage listed on the label. But when you have 2 within the same brand, you can compare them. So this allows you to titrate up, which is so helpful in the world of retinoids. The next must-have item is quality packaging, and Avène does it better than any brand. They have this concept called sterile packaging, so they can package their products without preservatives while they can still stay fresh. So this is opaque and it is an airtight bottle. This head will turn to open, dispense the product, turn it to shut, airtight, cap it, opaque bottle. It keeps it fresh for longer. And that's important because retinoids are very unstable. So if they're not packaged properly, they will not last a very long time. This is very important to me because, like I said, I actually don't use this every night. So I really need my products to be stable for a long time so that I can get my money's worth and actually get through the whole bottle before it goes bad. And something so hard to find in products out there, surprisingly, is a very simple formula. Sometimes less is truly more, especially in skincare. Brands sometimes will try to put like 10 or 20 or more extra filler ingredients just to make their product different or unique and stand out amongst others. But by doing so, you actually are creating a problem for people with sensitive skin issues, or a problem if they are trying to layer that with other products. It gets to be too much. But Avène does a superb job creating simple yet effective formula. This one is boosted by a few other key ingredients like antioxidants and peptides. So this really just checks every single box when it comes to my must-have list of items within a single retinoid product. So let me show you the texture up close of this. This is, I would describe as a balm cream-like texture. It's lightweight, but it's actually really hydrating and almost like a balm that sits on your skin, but it is not heavy. It absorbs in pretty quickly, and really a little bit goes a long way. You're going to put a little bit like that, and then you just dot it on the skin a little bit and blend it in to the whole face. So a little bit really goes a long way. Now, the entire site by Avene is actually 30% off. So during this 30% off sale right now, this product is about $55. This is the best price you are going to find this product at all year long. It will not be discounted at any point higher than this, at least that I have seen in the last 3 years. If you think $55 still sounds a bit pricey for a budget skincare routine, here's my advice. The majority of your skincare budget should go to your retinoid product if you are focusing on anti-aging in your routine, because this is going to be doing your heavy lifting. So $55 here, you will save your money. You are not splurging on fancy cleansers and moisturizers or sunscreens. I have amazing product options for all of those products in my routine that are under $10, especially when you get them on sale. I'm gonna link some of my favorite skincare routine basics that I love in the description as well, so you can make a budget skincare routine work if you prioritize your treatment products and then do not spend unnecessarily on products that are not going to really move the needle towards your goals. Now, Avene actually has several other products in this RetrinAL line. So let me briefly explain here these other few key players to you so that you are not confused about where this Holy Grail fits into the picture here when you're shopping for this product. The 0.1 intensive is the top dog. It's the number one, most important. If you only get one product, it is this, or the 0.05, which is not as strong. So depending on your skin, if you're sensitive, what your goals are, you will get either this, or you can get both while they're on sale. Start here and go up to this, but truly just one of these. But this is just for your face. Do not be putting this around your eyes, and definitely spare the mouth area and the neck because this is too strong. These areas are very sensitive. You can easily get irritation there. So that is where their other product comes in. RetrinAL Eyes. This has the similar formulation as the face cream, but the Retinaldehyde in this is way more gentle, so it's not going to irritate your eyes. I tell people the only reason you should be incorporating an eye product into your routine or spending on an eye product is if it has an anti-aging ingredient in it, like a retinoid, because otherwise, if you're just trying to get hydration around your eyes, just use your face moisturizer, save your money. But if you really want to get in there and treat those crow's feet, because crow's feet can really make you look older than you actually are, get an eye cream with a retinoid in it, like Retinaldehyde. So that is where this specific product in their line fits in. I have some other budget favorites. If this is outside of your budget, I can link some of those below, or I can do a budget eye cream video if you want that. Let me know in the comments. Next, you will see this advanced correcting serum in the RetrinAL line. So this really should only be in your routine for one of two reasons. First of all, this is an amazing product. I love this one. This does not contain Retinaldehyde, actually. It contains another ingredient, which is really good in my opinion for a couple reasons. So instead, this contains Bakuchiol, which is a retinoid alternative that has the same benefits as retinoids, but with less side effects. I have multiple videos on the science and results of Bakuchiol, and I actually have a whole product review on this. In fact, this was my 2022 product of the year pick on my channel. Stay tuned for my 2023 product of the year pick this year. I'm going to post that video very soon. I'm so excited to share that. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss that. I'm just going to drop that video randomly here soon. But anyways, this one, Bakuchiol in it. I'm going to link some other educational videos about this ingredient in the description. So you should be using this product only if you cannot tolerate a retinoid or this is irritating to your skin. You can try this instead because you likely will be able to tolerate this. Again, I said this is going to be more gentle on your skin and you're still going to get some of those anti-aging benefits. Or the second reason you should put this in your routine, if you are like me, you are trying to double down on your anti-aging results, you can use this in the morning and then your retinoid at night. Now, here's a few reasons I like to use this in the morning, because this is an antioxidant, so more free radical protection. It's lightweight, it wears really nicely under makeup, and Bakuchiol is stable in sunlight, so this does not break down like retinoids can in the sun. That's why I use this at night. So this is perfect for a morning skincare routine. Bakuchiol is actually a tough ingredient to find in products, but I do have a couple other Bakuchiol serums that I love. I have mentioned those in other videos on my channel over the last year as well. So if you're looking for something in a different price range, check out some of my other videos there. And then lastly, but definitely not least, is the newest addition that Avène put in their RetrinAL line. It is this ceramide lipid replenishing balm. This is a Bakuchiol night cream that also has niacinamide and ceramides in it. This is very hydrating. It is thicker than a cream texture, kind of more like a balm, and it just melts into the skin so luxuriously. And it's also packaged perfectly, turning for an airtight seal, opaque jar, no dipping your fingers in this jar. So it's pricey, but this can last you a really long time. So this can fit into your routine either alone at night if you cannot tolerate retinoids. It can be used in the morning too, but it's a little bit thicker, so it's harder to wear under makeup. I like this for under makeup better. Or you can just use this after you apply your 0.1 intensive. If you want to double down on those anti-aging results, you can use this. So morning or night, this is acceptable to use. So this is the entire Avène RetrinAL line, which is my personal favorite line that Avène makes. It is all 30% off right now. That is how those products are going to fit together. But again, this is the one that I would pick, my number one. If you can only choose one, 30% off right now, the biggest sale of the year. Remember, our goal is healthy skin. It's not perfect skin. So do what you can, surround yourself with positive vibe, and let the rest go. Hope you guys found that helpful. Please subscribe before you go. Come find me on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. I do more question and answer content over there. So come say hi. See you guys later. Bye.